In this video, we will learn how to get more connects on Upwork. Let's get started. Upwork is the world's largest online workplace where savvy businesses hire freelancers and remote teams. If you are looking for development and IT, AI services, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting, engineering and architecture, or any other field, Upwork is the best platform for you. You can also join Upwork as a freelancer and offer your services to buyers. But if you are worried about Upwork connects, don't be. I will show you how you can get more connects on Upwork. The first step is to create an account. Freelancers receive their initial 40 connects when they register for a new freelancer account on Upwork. Just click on Get Started. Sign up with a Google account and create your profile. Once you have done your profile and Upwork approves your profile, you will get 40 free connects. Now, let's go to Development and IT. Here, you can see the sellers' profiles. They are offering their services on Upwork. From the top left, select Rising Talent. You can see that a Rising Talent tag is mentioned on their profile. Freelancers receive an additional 30 connects when they earn the Rising Talent badge. To earn this Upwork Talent badge, freelancers must complete projects on time as promised to clients, maintain a 100% complete profile with accurate skills and genuine work, keep their availability up to date, regularly submit proposals that match their skill sets, adhere to the Upwork terms of service, have been active in the past 90 days or joined in the past 30 days. If you complete these requirements, you will get 30 free connects. You can also earn connects by winning interviews with established clients. An interview is the conversation that takes place when you receive a reply to your initial proposal. The number of connects a freelancer receives for responding to interviews varies on a variety of undisclosed factors. In the past, Upwork offered a set amount of 10 per invite, with a 50 per week cap. Let's go back. If you scroll down, you can see an option, Upwork Academy. Click over here. Here you can explore courses, get certification, trust and safety, coaching, past events, and activities. Upwork is now offering a one-time free Connect bonus for completing an Upwork skill certification, currently offered by invitation only. Let's go back to Upwork. Click on the profile and then go to Settings. Open Membership and Connects option. I am using a freelancer basic plan. Click on Change Plan. Here are two plans, Free and Plus. The free plan includes 10 free connects per month, and buy connects as you need for 5 cents plus tax each. But if you choose the Plus plan, you will get a total of 80 connections at $14.99 per month. Click on the Upgrade to the Plus plan. Here is the promo code option. Upwork occasionally offers free connects as part of a limited promotion like an event or a survey. When this happens, they typically issue a promo code which can be used by entering in the promo code box. This is how you can get free more connects on Upwork. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.